At what point do you stop experimenting with your TRT protocol to relieve ED and start daily cialis?
This is the TRT and Hormone Optimization YouTube channel. And if you want to learn all about the science-based information on this topic, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
I can give you, well, there's different opinions on that. The American Urologic Association does not recommend testosterone as a primary treatment for ED. It's necessary but not sufficient usually. In some guys, it's sufficient. So I mean that's it. If you get to symptom resolution on your TRT, you're feeling better, but your penis isn't working, why not add daily cialis? That's what I would do. Guys aren't usually going to want to tinker for a year with their TRT if they're not getting erections, right? Like usually within the first 6 to 8 weeks of TRT, if it's a decent protocol, you're going to notice improved libido, morning wood, all those things. If you were getting no erections at all, I mean, if you had actual pathophysiologic ED prior to TRT, it's probably not going to fix that. If you've got diabetes or if you've had a pelvic injury, or if you've got, you know what I mean, you had a prostatectomy, well, that's not going to fix it. So it's a very subjective question. It depends on the person, depends on what they had before TRT, you know. But I wouldn't ride it out for a year if you're on a decent protocol and you feel better and you still can't get an erection. I mean, you obviously need to look into other causes for the ED as well. Blood pressure medicines, psych medicines, there's all kinds of stuff, medication that'll kill your erections. Anxiety, performance anxiety, but even in those situations, the daily cialis can help, especially if you can't come off those medicines, your doctor won't let you or whatever, and there's no contraindications to take in the cialis. I would absolutely add it. I love it.
Alright guys, well, do this next. Click on one of these thumbnails to learn a ton more about TRT and hormone optimization. Thanks.